What's up guys, welcome to my channel. You're here with Bad and Boozy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a blackberry gin cocktail using only 3 main ingredients. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Bad and Boozy. And without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to start with 1 blackberry, and we're going to muddle that up in a glass using a muddler. Then we're going to add 2 ice spheres, or you can use ice cubes, whichever you prefer. As you can see, I'm using a bar spoon to layer in the ice spheres so it's much cleaner. If you're going to use ice cubes, I suggest adding a few more since they're smaller in size. Now I'm going to be using my favorite gin, Bombay Sapphire, and I'm pouring in about 1.5 ounces. Now I'm going to be using the bar spoon to stir everything together. I'm going to be using Seagram's ginger ale. I used a 7.5 fluid ounce can. Now I'm going to be using some thyme for garnish that I just picked up from my local grocery store. I used about 2 sprigs. After that, I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 more blackberries. Now I'm going to be adding a lemon peel for garnish as well. And there you have it, a blackberry gin cocktail. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to see next, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Bad and Boozy, and until next time.